Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the volume of messages in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Please at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Zello app. And here, it opens up in the context menu. From here, we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, and here we tap on audio. Then we have this option, adjust volume on incoming messages, and here we can set the volume of these messages. First, you have to turn this button on, and afterwards we can set it like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.